Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Perkenalkan, nama saya Dindi Navia Risma Putri, NPM 22411185 dari Universitas Teknokrat Indonesia. Di sini saya akan menyampaikan materi presentasi tentang The Concept of Corporate Governance. Introduction. Corporate governance refers to the system by which companies are directed and controlled. It defines the relationship between the company's management, its board of directors, shareholders, and other stakeholders such as employees, customers, and the community. In essence, corporate governance is about the framework that ensures companies are run responsibly, ethically, and with transparency, with the aim of creating long-term value for all stakeholders. Over time, as a business face more scrutiny and global challenge, the concept of corporate governance has evolved to include social, environmental, and ethical consideration. Definition and purpose. Corporate governance is broadly defined as the process and practice that influence how companies are managed and controlled. Its purpose is to ensure that a company's executive and management act in the best interest of all stakeholders and that they are held accountable for their action. Corporate governance addresses how decisions are made, how the interests of shareholders and other stakeholders are represented, and how to safeguard against abuse of power, corruption, and mismanagement. The purpose is not only to ensure financial performance, but also to foster trust, sustainability, and ethical practice in the organization. Key principles. Accountability. Directors and executives must be accountable for their action and decision, and shareholders must be able to hold them responsible. Transparency. Companies must disclose important information to stakeholders in a timely, accurate, and understandable manner. 3. Fairness. Companies must ensure that all shareholders, including minority shareholders, are treated equitably and that no stakeholders is unjustly disadvantaged. 4. Responsibility. Directors and management must act with integrity, in good faith, and in the best interest of the company and its stakeholders. 5. Independence. Effective corporate governance requires independent oversight by the board of directors. Core components of corporate governance. Number 1. Board of directors. Responsible for overseeing management, setting company goals, and ensuring ethical practice. Executive management. Manage day-to-day operation and implement strategies set by the board. 3. Shareholders. Own the company and vote on major decisions. 4. Commit specialist group like audit and remuneration committees ensure effective governance. 5. Auditors. Internal and external auditors verify financial accuracy and legal compliance. Importance of corporate governance. Good corporate governance is crucial for several reasons. It enhances investor confidence, leading to better access to capital, lower costs of financing, and greater long-term investment. Governance practice also help mitigate risk, prevent fraud, and ensure that a company is operating within the bounds of the law. Additionally, strong governance framework promote organizational efficiency, encourage ethical conduct, and help ensure the companies contribute positively to society. As companies increasingly face global challenges such as climate change, social inequality, and technological disruption, good governance practice can help steer organizations towards sustainable success. Governance models around the world. Corporate governance models vary globally based on legal, economic, and cultural factors. Some prominent models include: number 1, Anglo-American model, focus on shareholders' value with a unitary board structure. 2. Continental Europe model, emphasize stakeholders' interests using a two-tier board system. 3. Asian model, often involve family ownership or government influence with a growing focus on transparency and mandatory rights. Conclusion: corporate governance is a fundamental aspect of modern business that ensures companies are run responsibly, ethically, and with respect for the interests of all stakeholders. A strong governance framework helps companies mitigate risks, enhance accountability, and build trust with investors and the public. As the global business environment becomes more complex and interconnected, corporate governance continues to evolve, with growing attention being paid to social responsibility, environmental sustainability, and digital transformation. In today's competitive landscape, effective corporate governance is not just a regulatory requirement, but a strategic imperative that contributes to long-term success and corporate resilience. Sekian materi presentasi dari saya. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.